Oh, hello folks. I'm just here looking at the snowstorm that I'm working through. My name's Mike. Welcome to my channel. Hope you like and subscribe. Just to let you know that I am working. That's the bus that I drive. And I'm trying to take it slow because it is very cold out to boot. So this is what I see when I'm driving. Snow flying everywhere. Streets are pretty much deserted. It's still full of snow. The plows haven't come by yet, so this is all great, with the exception it's too darn cold. To do tonight, but we're still driving and conditions really are very bad. Anyway folks, that's all I'm going to do for tonight. Hopefully you understand where we are in Canada, that we do get a lot of snow. Usually not this early in the year, but that's the way it is. Anyway, if you like, click the subscribe, click the bell, and hit the like button. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Good night. Good evening, everyone. It's Mike. I just thought I'd share a little bit of something with you. I'm still at work, so this might be a little bit of a quick video, but it's a video nonetheless. Just so driving again in the middle of a snowstorm, and the roads are getting very, very slippery. That's my bus. Just pulled off to the side of the road, and I'm also at a place they call the Amera Oval. It is a speed skating track that was used during the Canada Games. I think it was 2 or 3 years ago. And now it's being used as a public skating area during the winter months. And all their equipment that they use to keep the ice frozen is all right here. There's 6 different machines to keep the ice frozen. And usually they have outdoor seating for people who want to go skating and have little benches all set up. But as of right now, they still have everything sitting there because they're just getting ready to, as they would say, shave the ice or make the ice to have people come and skate on them. Once the weather gets cold enough, everybody will be out here skating. This is one of the, I guess, be called a statue of some sort that they made for the Canada Games. The building that you can see in the background there is the building where the athletes would be before they had to go out and skate. And I find that rather neat because they decided they it as a public skating area. And the track, I guess, would be comparable to a 400-meter running track, only on skates, which makes it that much quicker. There's different buildings that they have here. They sell different things for when they are open. Just different lighting and stuff like that. As you can see, if I pan up in toward the lights, you can actually see the snow being blown around. Anyway, folks, that would be what I'm working through again tonight. You folks have yourself a great night. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell, and you'll be notified of